Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the y equals arctan x graph. Now you should be familiar with this trigonometric graph right here. And you should know that tan pi over 2 equals plus infinity because 1 over 0 is positive infinity. You should know that tan 0 is 0 because 0 divided by 1 is 0. And you should know that tan minus pi over 2 is minus infinity, because minus 1 over 0 is minus infinity. Now, using this information right here, we can create equations relating to this equation right here, which is y equals arctan x. So, pi over 2 should equal arctan positive infinity. 0 should equal arctan 0. And minus pi over 2 should equal arctan minus infinity. These values to the left hand side here are y values, and these values on the right hand side are x values. Using these values, we can now draw our y equals arctan x graph. So let's begin. Okay, over here you can see that the range of this graph is going to begin at minus pi over 2 and end at pi over 2. So I'm going to put pi over 2 up here, I'm going to put 0 here, and minus pi over 2 here. We can see that x goes all the way up to infinity, and it goes all the way down to minus infinity. Therefore, we are going to have to create two asymptotes. One in the form of y equals pi over 2 and the other in the form of y equals minus pi over 2. We have to do this because the graph is never going to touch these two lines, that is y equals pi over 2 or y equals minus pi over 2. We plot the values x and y in these equations by placing a dot over here, because as x approaches infinity, y approaches pi over 2. We place a dot here because when x is 0, y equals 0. And we place a dot down here because as x approaches minus infinity, y approaches minus pi over 2. Once we've established these facts, we can now join up these dots. So let's do that. We do it in this manner. As you can see here, as x approaches infinity, y approaches pi over 2, but the graph never actually touches y equals pi over 2. There are a couple of facts that we can take out of this graph that might be useful to us. Y is less than pi over 2 or greater than minus pi over 2. And x can be an element of a real number. So it can be all the numbers on this line here. I think that's everything covered. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below and I'll try to reply to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.